In 1962, Swiss retail pioneer Gottlieb Duttweiler founded the GDI. As he laid the foundation stone, he envisaged the institute as a place for free thinking about how the world is progressing, a place that contributes to economic and social progress, all the while valuing people over profit. And today, nestled in the parkland above Lake Zurich, the GDI stays true to that vision. Home to future research, innovation strategy, and impact leadership, it's a hub where the best minds meet to ask questions and share ideas about the future of society, business, economics, and environment. A lot has changed since 1962. If we've learned anything, it's that little is certain. We can only anticipate what the future will bring. So how do you keep your business alive and relevant to the customers of tomorrow? The GDI researches the future to inspire and enable organizations to shape their field. It puts an emphasis on food, retail, and health. Our services fall into three categories, though they can intersect. There's future research, innovation strategy, and impact leadership. Let's paint a picture of how someone might use each service to future-proof their organization. First, future research. The big-picture thinkers at the GDI think tank analyze trends throughout their lifespan, speculating about plausible futures, and invite you to consider their relevance to your company. Take Peter, for instance. Peter manages a company that's been a market leader for many years. But recently, he senses their reputation slipping. They're considered old-fashioned. They need to modernize their product portfolio and technology. But where to start? Peter knows that the GDI provides customized future studies. So together they map out evidence-based future scenarios. The insights allow Peter to think bigger and orientate him to reposition his company as the thought leader in its field. Secondly, there's our strategic innovation capability. Future thinking only has value if it enhances decision-making. The GDI works alongside you to translate intelligence into focused solutions with specific business value. This is Britta. She works for a well-established company in a dynamic sector. Every week, startups overload her inbox, offering their ideas or requesting to collaborate. How can she weigh up the value of all these opportunities or come up with even better innovative concepts? Partnering with the GDI Solutions capability, Britta and her team define a process for evaluating megatrends, monitoring market innovations, creating and sparking innovation concepts. They'll use the process to be more proactive, bringing possible futures to life. Finally, our leadership and transformation capability centers on creating leadership impact. Alongside business leaders, we work through the big whys and hows of transforming organizations. Richard has led his company for decades, and today he's contemplating his legacy. Over the years, he's seen the business landscape become increasingly volatile amidst great societal shifts. Are they on a sustainable path, resilient enough to thrive long-term? Without a doubt, they'll need future leaders to emerge, discerning individuals to carry the company forward with courage, humility, and sound decision-making. But how can they awaken this leadership potential from within? Mingling with inspiring people at a GDI conference, it strikes Richard that this is just what the leaders of tomorrow need most of all. Inspiring insights from the best business and thought leaders, and a network of like-minded peers to reflect on their personal leadership profiles and their company's vision, strategy, structure, and culture. The GDI's tailor-made initiatives are designed to release leadership potential, preparing the ground for innovation to take root and flourish within your organization. Don't wait for the future to happen. The best way to prepare for the future is to create it.